Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Allah says in the Quran, Surah As-Saffat, chapter 37, verses from 62 to 67. Allah says that in the verse number 62, that is that paradise better entertainment or the tree of Zaqqum? The meaning here is a specific kind of tree which is called Zaqqum. And Allah says in the verse number 63, truly we have made it a trial for the wrongdoers. It's narrated from Qatada, said that the tree of Zaqqum is mentioned as a test for those who are misguided. Allah says in the verse number 64, verily it is a tree that springs out of the bottom of the hellfire, which means it is nutrified or sustained by the fire, for it was created from fire. Because in hell means the tree that fire consumes, but this tree is sustained by the fire. Like how the plant is sustained by the water, this tree Zaqqum is sustained by the fire of hell. Its roots grow at the bottom of the hell. Allah says in the verse 65, the shoots of its fruit stalks are like the heads of shayateen, which means the fruit is ugly and repulsive. The verse continue. Verse number 66, Allah says that truly they will eat thereof and fill their bellies therewith. Allah mentions that they will eat of this extremely ugly tree, even though its fruit tastes and smells so bad, they will be forced to eat from it, because they will not find anything else to eat except this tree Zaqqum. About this tree, Allah mentioned several places, other places in the Quran. It's mentioned in Surah Waqiah, chapter 56, verse number 51 and 52, Surah Ghashiyah, chapter 88, verse number 6 and 7, and Surah Bani Israel, chapter 17, verse number 60. And Allah says, verse number 67, then on the top of that they will be given boiling hamim. What is hamim? There is a narration reported in Tafsir Ibn Kathir, page number 4257, where Ibn Abbas, may Allah peace with him, this means they will be given boiling hamim to drink after they have eaten from Zaqqum. According to another report, he said that this means a mixture made from boiling water. Someone else said that it means boiling water will be mixed with pus and offensive discharge that leak from their private parts and eyes. Allahu Akbar. This is the drink of the people of the hell. What is the drink? First, boiling water will be mixed with pus, means boiling water added with pus. The translation here is pus, pus, the meaning, which means a thick, yellowish or greenish, opaque liquid produced in infected tissue. And it will added offensive discharge that leak from their private parts and eyes, means boiling water, pus, plus offensive discharge. Allahu Akbar. May Allah protect us. Ibn Hatim recorded that Sayyid Ibn Jabir said, when the people of hell gets hungry, they will ask for food from the tree of Zaqqum. They will eat from it. Then the skin of their face will be fall off. If someone were to pass by, he would recognize them from their faces. Allahu Akbar. This narration continues and says that then thirst will be sent upon them, so they will ask to be given something to drink, and they will be given water like boiling oil that has been heated to the ultimate degree. When it is brought near to their mouths, the flesh of their faces from which the skin has fallen off will be baked by its heat, and whatever is in their stomachs will be melted. Allahu Akbar. Just imagine how terrible it is. They will walk with their guts falling out, means their bellies and the stomach falling out, and with their skin falling off, and then after they will be beaten with hooked rods of iron. Then every part of their bodies will be burst into loud lamentations, means they will weep, they will cry out of extreme pain, and this will be the punishment for those who reject to worship Allah, those who reject the commandment of Allah. Tafsir Ibn Kathir, page number 4257.